Wow! Is that a real dinosaur?
Stay close to the family, Ali.
Look at that dinosaur!
Let's see the dinosaur activity area together.
This dinosaur looks real. Wow! Beautiful butterflies. Mom? Dad? Where are you? Can you help me? I can't find my family. Don't worry. We'll help you. Maybe they're near the dinosaurs. Mom! Where is Ali?
Don't worry, we'll find him. Ali, can you describe your family?
My family is wearing the same clothes as in my photo. Where is Ali? I was watching the butterflies over there.
Oh, the butterflies.
They're not here. Maybe they're at the space exhibition. Wow! Look at all the planets! Maybe my family went there.
They found Ali's location.
I hope they're there. Dad? Mom! Dad! There you are. Mom! Dad! There you are.
Ali!
We were looking everywhere for you. I was scared, but I found you.
Always stay close to your family.
Okay. Can we see that one?
Sure, son.
Yes.
No translation provided. What's behind that door? This area is for museum staff.
Did you hear that?
Don't worry. It's just an old exhibit being tested.
Wow, this place looks so old.
Hello? Hello? Is anyone there?
Old bicycle. Turn it slowly. something new today. This museum is amazing. Hello, little robot.
Great teamwork.
We did it together!
Congratulations, young explorer.
We are proud of you, Ali. I will never forget this day.
Today was a wonderful adventure.
Goodbye, museum. I can't wait for our next adventure. What an amazing day.
What an amazing day.
I learned so many new things today. I learned tumblebrinds today. I want a certificate too.
Maybe your next adventure will be even bigger.
What do you think, Ali?
What's inside?
What's that place?
It's a special invitation from the Science Center.
Are we gonna see a real rocket?
Yes, Ali. We're going tomorrow.
I'm ready for another adventure. Today is the big day. Everyone is ready.
That's my boy. So proud of you.
How long will it take? Wow! It's huge! Is this for me?
Wow! What is this?
Work together.
Ali, it's your turn.
We did it! Oh! That was amazing! I learned that teamwork makes everything easier.
Today was the best day ever.
Let's go home.
I'll remember this forever.
What a wonderful adventure. Our best adventures are the ones we share together.
Wow! See you in our next adventure. If you enjoyed this story, subscribe to Lumexa English for more fun English stories. See you next time.